Hello everyone, this is Kesha and I am here to teach you our choreography on the song Top Tucker by Badshah. As always, I will be just teaching you the steps of this routine. If you want to compare them on music, the link of the video is given above and also in the description box. So let's begin. So we start with our choreography with our position 1. You have to kick your right leg, place it and take your left leg forward and drop. Again 5, 6, 7. Go kick and step, drop. Then you go side, take your left leg behind, 1 and 2 and back. Wapas. Again 5, 6, 7. Go 1 and 2. Hit, your frame will be this way, forward, again back side, then you go jump, up, right, left, up. Again 5, 6, 7, go 1 and drop, back, forward, back and jump and right, left, up. Take your left hand up and back. So we finish with this place. Again 5, 6, 7. Go 1 and drop, hit and jump and right, left, up. Wave, back, hit and twist and. So we finished. Taking your right leg up, take your right leg back with your left hand forward. Again hit and twist and take your heel inside, toe, heel, toe. With that, your handwork will go inside and step, drop. Again from the start. 5, 6, 7. Go 1 and drop, hit and jump, place, right, left, up, wave, back, step, twist, 1 and 2 and. So we finish over here. You have to slide forward with your left leg and your hands will go this way. So your right hand is straight and your left hand will be this way. Again 5, 6. You finished over here. 5, 6, 7. Go slide and you will place your right heel on your left heel and you have to lift your left toe. You have to lift your left leg on the toe. So your handwork goes up and. Again. So you finished over here. 5, 6, 7. Go slide and up. You finished here. Tap your right leg behind. Jump and slide. Both steps will be continuous. That goes 1 and hit. Same on the other side. Tap and hit. Again from the start. 5, 6, 7. Go 1 and drop, back, forward, back and jump, place, right, left, up, wave, tap, hit and twist and hit and step, drop, slide, up, right and left and. So when you finish your step over here, your right leg goes tap. You have to tap on your toe, then this way. So your knees is inside, then outside. So when you finished 1 and step, your handwork will go open and cross. Again revise from the start. 5, 6, 7. Go 1 and drop, hit and step and open in, right, left, up, wave, back, hit and twist and 1 and 2. Drop, slide, up, right, hit, left, hit, step. So when you finish here, you have to jump on Scott position with your hands pointing right, left and jump. So it will be quick. That goes, you finish here, point and up, right hand, left hand, side place. So first you are going to your left side and your hand will go to your right place, then the other side left place. So your legs goes 1 and 2 and with the hand work 1 and 2 and left leg, right leg. Again from the start 5, 6, 7, go 1 and drop, hit and jump, place, right left, up, wave, back, hit, twist, heel, toe, heel and slide, up, right step, left step, hit, change, point, up, hand and left side, right side, step. So you finished over here, 1, 2, you have to replace your step 1 and back. So I'll just tell you the footwork. You finished here, 1, 2, jump, take your right leg back, hit, your right leg will go on your toes, then here your left leg will go on your toes. So 2 steps are normal and 2 steps are on your toes. It goes jump, step, toes. With that your handwork will go, you finish here, 1, 2, you leave your left hand down and your right hand will go this way, step. So it is 1, 2, 3, 4. The last handwork is you have to hold something, put it down, hold something here, put it down. Again from here, 5, 6, 7, go 1, 2, 3, 4. When you finish here, you have to tap again on your right leg, that goes tap. With your hands over here, you have to drop your shoulder, tap. You have to drop your right shoulder first. I'll be teaching you over here. It goes 1 and 2. Do the same step over here, that goes 1, 2. Then right, left, right. On the second steps, when you finished 1, 2, your footwork will go right, left, right. In the squat position, right, left, right. With that you have to do the shoulders, right, left, right. Also you have to do the handwork, that goes right, left, right. Easy? Good. From here, 5, 6, 7, go 1, 2, 3, 4, step and right, left, right. When you finish here, you have to jump on your right side, facing towards right side. Your hand will go here and you have to come, do the step this. So you finished 1 and 2, jump, back. When you jump again back side, your hand will come inside. Again from here, 5, 6, 7, go 1, 2, 3, 4, right, left, right, 1, 2. Now you have to roll your hand down and straight. With that your leg will go, you have to lift your right leg and again place forward. So with the hand it goes roll, place. So your left hand is forward with your right leg forward. Again from here, 5, 6, 7, go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8, 1, 2, 3, 4. So you finish over here. Then with your right hand you have to lift your leg, push your hand, then hold over here and turn. Again, so there are 3 steps. You finished here, 1, 2 and 3. On the 4th step, your right leg will go on your heel and your left leg will go on your toes. This side. Easy? So it goes step with your hands outside. Again, you finished here, 5, 6, 7. Go lift, back, twist and step. Again. So we'll try it from here, 5, 6. So you finished right, left, right. 5, 6, 7. Go 1, 2, roll, place, up and turn, step. So you finished over here. Your footwork will go inside, your both knees are inside. twist to your left side. Your left leg will go this way and your right leg will come outside. So it goes inside, left, inside, right, inside, left, inside, right. The same step you have to do it 4 times. So you finished over here. 1, 2. On the second count you have to take your hands inside, then 3 and shake. On the 4th count you have to just shake your shoulders. Again, you finish here. 5, 6, 7. Go 1, 2, 3. Shake and again you finish this shake. Again your legs will come inside with your hand on your face. Then take it down. Again in. Again shake. So the full step will be, you finished here. 1, 2, 3. Shake. 1, 2, 3. Shake. So this shake part is same on the both side. Again, so we try it from here. 5, 6, 7. Go 1, 2. Roll. Place. Up. Back. Twist. Step. 1, 2, 3. Shake. 1, 2, 3. Shake. So you finished your shake. Keep your left leg forward. You have to hit it forward with your punching a right hand this way. That goes punch, left, right, left. Again. So the footwork goes left, left, right, left. Easy. With that the handwork will go right, left, right, left. This way. Then your handwork will go open, in, open, in. You have to go to your left side, hit and hit and. Easy. Again from here. 5, 6, 7. Go 1, 2. Roll. Place. Up. Twist and step. 1, 2, 3. Shake. 1, 2, 3. Shake. Hit. Left, right, left, 1 and 2 and. So you finish your steps over here. Jump on your left leg pointing towards up, down, left, right, left, hit and roll backside. Again till here. So it goes jump, down, then next keep your hand down, take your left leg behind, left, right leg forward, again open. When you will take the 3rd step, your hand will go left hand above right hand. Again 5, 6, 7. Go point and left, right step. Take your right hand down and you just have to bend, step, roll behind. When you will take a roll, take your left leg behind. So you finish your step over here, heel, toe and turn. So your hands will go forward this way. So you finish your step over here, you tap your left, right, left, right. You have to tap 4 times and go back side. That goes left, right, left, right. Then hit behind, hit behind, hit behind and up. So you have to hit it 3 times with your hand on your waist, up, step and here. You finish your step over here. So it goes 1, 2, 3, up with your left hand on your waist. After this, the music part will begin. So it goes hit, hit. You have to bend on your left side 2 times, step, then hit your pelvis to your left first, swing it to your left, then to your right, then heel, toe, up, down. Again we revise it from here. 5, 6, 7. Go 1, 2, 3, step, hit, hit, swing, swing, heel, toe, up, down. When you finish this, you have to roll your left shoulder 2 times, roll, roll and forward. So the last step is you have to roll and again place over here. With that your right leg will go up and forward. You finished, roll, roll, up and drop. So after this there are 4 beats. You can do your own 4 beats. I'll tell you. That goes twist and open, down. So you can try out these 4 beats. That goes, you finished 1 and twist, keep your left hand up with your right hand here, open and drop. So when you finish here, there are tapping music, so you can just tap and do your feet counts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, change, reverse, step, and so you do your self circle and finish over here. Then you slide with your right hand, that goes down and neck. Again, we'll do it from here. 5, 6, 7, go 1, 2, roll, step, hit and turn, step, 1, 2, 3, shake, 1, 2, 3, shake, hit, left, right, left, 1 and 2 and point down, left, right, left, twist and roll, heel, toe, turn, left, right, 1, 2, 3 and hit, swing, swing, heel, toe, up, down, roll, roll and forward. Then the 4 steps, 1, 2, 3, down and tap, 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 tap and tap, tap, reverse, tap, step, step, down, 1 and look, hit. So when you finish here, then the main legs will begin from here. That goes kick, right, left. Again you have to kick with your right leg, kick, take your right leg behind, hold and forward, place. Again 5, 6, 7, go 1 and 2, step, step, jump to your left and take a wave with your right hand, 1 and 2. Then goes 1, 2, 3, 4. Same to your left side. When you finish this, jump to your left leg, right leg, left leg, right leg. Again. So it goes left, right, left, right. With that your hand will go 1, 2, 3, down. Let's try. 1, 2, 3, down. Your left leg is up. It goes tap, in, tap, in. With that your hand will go right, left, right, left. Then you finish here. You have to go 1, 2, 3, 4. Wave to your right side. First your left shoulder will go up, then down, then right shoulder and step. So your footwork goes right, left, right, left. Easy? Try it from your 5, 6, 7. Go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Your hand will be this way only. It goes right, left, right, left. After that, so there is a hand work. You have to lift your elbow first and elbow first. So first we have to go down with your left leg forward, then up, 1, 2. You have to tap your left leg only on the both times. It goes 1, 2, 3, 4. First up and back and. When you finish this, you have to jump with your right leg forward, open, then your left leg forward, open. Your handwork will go in, down, hit, down. It goes in with your right leg, down, hit, down. So you finish here, take a circle to your left side, circle, hit it and finish your choreography. So we'll do a quick revision from the start. 5, 6, 7, go 1 and drop, hit, place, back, place, open and right, left, drop, wave, tuck, tuck, hit and twist and heel, toe, heel and slide up, right step, left step, open and point, point up, right, left, slide and left, right. 5, 6, 7, go 1, 2, hit, right, left, right, 1, 2, roll, place, up, twist and step, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, change, open, in, point and step, 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 down and roll, heel, toe, turn, left, right, 1 and 2, step. Now the music part, 5, 6, 7, go 1, 2, swing, swing, heel, toe, up, down, roll and step. So you finish here the 4 steps, that goes 1, 2, 3, down and step, 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 walk, walk and step, tap, tap, reverse, tap, 1 and drop, swing, look, neck, then 1 and 2, open, step, swing and left, right, left, right, left, wave, place, down, up and jump and step and circle and finish. So these were the steps of this choreography. Once you are done with them, you can shoot your own video and share with us. And also we are coming up with many more tutorials, so wait for it and keep supporting.